Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone model and iOS or Android version so you know which menu to use. Once ready, make sure the device has over 20% battery and unlock it with your passcode or biometrics. Open Settings, then search for Emergency SOS or Lock Screen Controls. This gets you directly to the relevant toggles. From here, you'll take the first actionable step to prevent SOS from appearing on the lock screen. Move on when you see the correct menu. Now you adjust the specific toggles that control Emergency SOS display and activation. You'll disable the option labeled Show on Lock Screen or Lock Screen Access, so the SOS shortcut won't appear when locked. Then turn off Auto Call and any side/power button trigger options to stop accidental activation. Make sure to review adjacent privacy, Face ID, or accessibility settings that might re-enable shortcuts. This prevents unexpected behavior. Finish by locking the device and attempting the gesture or button sequence that previously revealed Emergency SOS. You should no longer see it. If the change didn't take effect, restart the phone to ensure system processes reload and check again. If problems persist, update the operating system or selectively reset settings, not a full wipe, to restore expected behavior. If nothing fixes it, contact the device support team. Make sure to describe your model, OS version, and the steps you've already tried.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.